welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Christina, and this is actually the first time I've really been on in quite a while, aside from the last video that you might have seen where I was telling you guys that I am pregnant. So I am so excited to be welcoming a baby boy. This October is my due date, October 1st actually. So very excited, and I kind of wanted to take this opportunity to kind of revamp, I guess, my social media handles and my content and whatnot. Since now, I still love home stuff, beauty, fashion, all of that, but now I'm gonna be adding mom content. So I thought it'd be fun to kind of start off with a review of the stroller that I recently received. Thank you to both my sister-in-law and brother-in-law for gifting it to my husband and I. It was on our registry, and I am so excited to be able to have this little stroller. I shouldn't say little, it's really cool. It's the Evenflo Pivot Xpand Travel Modular System. That's a mouthful, but anyway, I'm going to be doing an unboxing today and a first impression. So if you are interested in knowing more about this stroller, then just keep watching. Okay, so before I get started, I did want to give you kind of an overview of the stroller system itself and kind of why I was interested in this one in particular, and what I liked about it. So I do have my notes here, so if you see me glancing down, that is what I'm doing. So again, this is the Evenflo, or Evenflo, I'm not even sure how to pronounce it, but it's the Pivot Xpand Travel Modular System. And the reason why I was really interested in this one in particular was because my husband and I do, hopefully, Lord willing, want to have another child even after this one. So we're already thinking ahead, and I wanted a stroller that could do double duty, and I could have both an infant and a toddler. So this does take care of that. Price point was a thing too. I know so many strollers are just very expensive, and I wanted something that was still very safe but budget friendly. This one comes in 3 different colors, and so I chose the black, and I believe that that's the most expensive actually, so right around $350, which for a stroller, that's actually really good, especially one of this quality and with the different features that it does have. I thought it was a really good price point. But then there also is a light gray and a charcoal, and those are a little bit less expensive by maybe $20. So price point, safety, and then just the flexibility of being able to have 2 kids in there was really important to me. So what's included in this system is the actual stroller base. It comes with the infant car seat and then infant car seat base, and then also the toddler seat. So it's really nice. It's really cool. The toddler seat actually becomes a bassinet, so you can use it during the newborn phase as well. It does have 22 different configurations when both of the seats, the infant and the toddler seat, are on it, which I thought was really cool. So you can have it the baby facing you, the toddler facing out. You can have them facing together. You can have them both facing you. Possibilities are endless, at least 22 different ones. So I thought that was really cool. It's just a lot of different options for you. Some other pros of this system is that it's supposed to be really easy to set up. We will find out, but apparently it all comes in just this one box, which that so far is true. It comes in one big box, but then also you're supposed to just be able to add on the wheels, and that's it. It's supposed to be good to go after that, so we will see. Oh, the bottom, the carriage, or the basket part, there's 2 feet. It's expandable up to 2 feet, which I think is so great. I had seen some strollers that hardly had any storage space down on the bottom, and I just can't imagine not having that. I'm what? Where do you put your backpack or extra snacks, blankets, whatever? Well, in this stroller system, you put it under there. So we've got 2 feet of extra space, which is so awesome. The whole stroller system is supposed to collapse and open up really easily. And even if you just have the toddler seat on it, it can collapse nicely then too. And that way it just kind of stands up straight and doesn't take up too much space. So that's supposed to be a really good feature. It does come with, yeah, a cup holder for mom, which I didn't even think of that, being like a first-time mom. Like, it wouldn't have crossed my mind, but seeing these reviews, everyone was raving about it, saying like, this is such a must-have. Like, we have to have like our mom holder cup or mom cup holder. So I'm like, okay, cool. Well, this has it. It's really easy to like change positions of the handle. I guess there's 3 different positions. So if you're like taller, you know, you can, however you want to configure it, whatever is most comfortable. There's 3 different settings, which is really nice. It's supposed to be really easy to clean, wipe down. If you need to like take something out, you can, because it is machine washable, which is really nice to have that option. And then last but not least, overall, the whole stroller is really lightweight, and so is the infant car seat, which is great because I have noodle arms. I can't carry a lot. Like, they literally are pathetic. So I'm excited, and I was looking forward to having a car seat that wasn't going to be heavy, because I just know myself, like, it'll just be too much. So we've got a light car seat, we have a light just travel system in general, and I'm just really excited to get into this. So without further ado, let's get into setting this up. All right, you guys, so here is just the box itself. I got it all in one, but I did see some reviews that some people got it in 2 boxes. I'm not sure why, but that person was in Canada. So I'm not sure if it's different in Canada, but for the US, it comes in 1 box. And so here's the outside of it. So to save time, I've already taken off the plastic and most of the little like protector things. So here's what it comes with. Like I said, it comes with the base. This is actually pretty lightweight. You're supposed to just be able to, okay, it does come with instructions right here. I'm gonna try to do it without it, because everyone who I watched in the reviews, they did it without it. So let's see if I can do it without it. So let's see, this is like the main part. Okay, so now let's go ahead and put the wheels on. Remy, we have a little visitor. You're so big. Remy is now, he's going to be 1.5 years now here in June. He is a Scooby-Doo, but you'll see him popping in and out of the video, I'm sure. Did you hear that? It just like clicks. That was it. Okay. Okay, I feel like that was too easy. We've got wheels, people. So, all right. Very, very smooth. It is just like gliding. I'm really excited, if you can't tell. But can you see like how big this undercarriage is? Like, huge. We're gonna be able to fit so much stuff in there, buddy. This is the car seat base, so we won't use this. This will go in the car, but here that is. All right, now here are, so this is the infant car seat. Give you kind of a close-up look at that. Looks very teeny tiny and cushiony. Oh yeah, see, it's detachable. Which is nice, because if I need to machine wash it, I can. But yeah, so let's go ahead and hook this on. This is supposed to just like glide up. So if I can figure that out. Oh, there's a little button. Oh my gosh, this is so easy. Holy cow. Okay, let's see if we can get this attached. Okay, so I don't know if you can tell, but on the side here are these like little inserts. That's what's gonna go. We in? We're good. We're in. Okay. How cute is this? with the little infant car seat. That was really easy. And actually while I'm here, let's try these handles. So you're supposed to be able to just click. You can adjust. One, I don't know, it's pretty high, but if you like it like that. And then two, and then three. I think that's how I'm gonna like it. Yay! All right, now that we have the infant seat attached, let's go ahead and try the toddler seat, just so we can see how it would look and if it's like really as easy as it looks to put it on. So there's a clip here, like a main clip. You do that, and there you go. So let's see. Again, it has like the two side. Whoops. Would it just like come up? Oh yeah. What? All right. So that's on, and then you need the bar, and that is right here. Let's just connect this, connect that. There we go. What? So easy. So easy. I love it. Of course, we won't be using the two for a while, but what's nice about this one is that when it is up top, it does have like a little peek hole, which is nice. You don't have to like come over here and see if like they're sleeping or awake. You can just peek through that. This is so nice. I am loving it. Okay, oh, also, here is like that mom cup. I think that would go right here. See, everything on here is like very intuitive. I mean, I have never in my life held a car seat before, let alone put together a stroller. This was easy, under 10 minutes, loving it. All right, let's see if we can get this off. It's supposed to be pretty easy, so you have to like lock your stroller. Then there's a lever here on the back. Okay, let's see. Easy, super easy. Okay, now I actually want to show you guys this because it's supposed to be like, it can turn into a bassinet too. So let's go ahead and try to figure that out. So first off, I think, yeah. So let's open it up. Cool. Okay, so to undo it, you just unclick. And then let's do facing me. Easy. Okay. Okay, yeah, that is literally as simple as that. I thought there was actually more to it, and I had to read the instructions just to make sure, but there's not. So yeah, this is like a little infant mode, little carriage. That's so sweet. All right, I guess the very last thing is to see how easy it is to like fold up. That I have no idea, so I'm gonna have to look at the instructions. Like I wouldn't even know where to start with that. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is it. And it would close, I'm assuming it closes like, wow. Did I do that right? Yeah. I think so. Okay, and then when you want to like open it back up, that was a little rough, but you get the point. For the first time, it was pretty good. But yeah, oh cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed. This is, again, very first impressions. I love it, I'm so happy. I do know there's actually an Etsy shop. This is a little much, but if you want more of like a luxe look to your stroller, there's an Etsy shop that literally does leather handlebars, and you can just like either get the zipper kind, or you can like sew it, and they have a video on how to sew it. I think it's like $38, but it comes in a bunch of colors, so I'm thinking about getting like the brown one here, and you can also do it for here as well, so you have like more of like a high-end luxe feel. But overall, I'm super excited to use this stroller. I think it was really intuitive to put it together. I didn't use the instructions until right now at the end to make sure like I knew how to shut it properly, because I didn't. That wasn't intuitive for me, but it could have been for you. So I'm excited to try this out. I will definitely do a review once baby does get here, and we've had a chance to like use it and whatnot, and we'll just do like a follow-up. But overall, first impressions, I love it, and I'm super excited for this price point and for what it does. Excellent. So hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks, guys. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching my unboxing and first impressions of the Evenflo Pivot Xpand Travel Modular System. There we go, I got it. I hope you guys enjoyed and that this gave you kind of an insight into this stroller. If you have any questions, like I said, let me know, leave a comment below, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.